exactly.
Yeah, so what can I try? Like what would be something I could try?
Hold on a second.
Okay. Raw Sublime. Very interesting. I mean, they have one here. You can buy a box here for 300 yen. White, green tea, raw, like a kid in the candy store.
And this one is the I Love Fruit series, and this one will be strawberry, passion fruits, cashews, and this one is blueberries.
Okay, I'll try the blueberry. Okay. And then, how much is a box of like that? Is that like free to get to the box or the whole thing?
No, the whole, each of them is 300. For example, it's just is one of it. It will be 300 plus taxes. So, for example, if you can make a bundle of 3 and put them in a box, for example, this box is for free, and you can choose the flavors.
Okay, just give me one of those right there.
The milk one?
Yeah, just give me one of that.
Okay.
And I want to eat it now.
Okay.
Because I'm so interested in a milk chocolate Kit Kat, why this is different from the other stores, you know, the quality.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the sample was good. It was good. Sorry?
324 yen, including tax price.
Okay. No. I want to eat it now. I want to eat it now. That's why I got it. Yeah. Okay.
Do you need a receipt?
No. Thank you. So yeah, I'm doing a live vlog, so I'm gonna eat it now while it's fresh. I don't care about boxes or taking anything home. Just let me have it. Let me eat it. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, here it is, man. Does it have the logo on it? Yeah, it has the logo on it too. Okay. Yeah, here's the chat. You can look at the chat. Watch them.
Oh, you're
Watch the chat.
doing it live.
Yeah, I'm a live YouTuber. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. All right, here we go.
Is it better than the regular Kit Kat?
The chocolate is more.
Yes.
There's a more of a flavor, stronger, the texture.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a lot better than the one you get in the store. It's a lot better.
Actually, it is.
Yeah.
The other one, you feel more like a cookie after you get this one.
Yeah, this is so good.
This actually, you can feel more of the chocolate itself.
Guys. No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll try one of those again. Maybe the strawberry. Okay, here we go. Give me a free sample of the strawberry. All right, guys. Remember this Kit Kat store, and you guys are in this is Ginza, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Chocolatery.
Chocolatery, guys. Make sure to come here when you come to Japan.
Thank you.
Thank you. What are they doing? Are they being good?
So nice, kawaii. ありがとうございます。
Yeah. So you hear the voice. The microphone's here.
Oh, yes.
So the mic is there, so they know. Yeah. And I think are they speaking in Japanese too? Oh yeah, he is. Yeah.
美味しい。
Yeah. So we have your name.
Ogihara.
Oh.
My name is Ogihara.
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 Takahashi.
Samantha.
Samantha. All right. Samantha must be from America, right?
I'm not from America.
You're from
Argentina.
Argentina. Even better. Oh, I've never been there. I want to go. So both from Japan and from Argentina. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Any more chalk talk there?
Sarah today. Sarah.
Ogi.
Samantha.
Oh, Samantha. Yeah, he said Sarah.
Sarah.
Ogihara,
Oh, Ogihara.
Takahashi, and Sera.
Takahashi.
Takahashi. Yeah, this is a good setup. Look at the backpack. It's heavy too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a lot of stuff in there.
今ライブ、YouTube で
YouTube. Yeah.
かっこいい。So cool.
Yeah. Do you guys have Instagram? I can maybe send you guys a link to the YouTube.
あ、グラムやってない。
やってない。
No Instagram? You don't have Instagram? No?
I don't do Facebook.
Oh, Facebook. Oh my God, I don't like Facebook. Okay, well, I do Facebook, but I just don't really use it that often.
Okay.
I'm always on Twitter and
Twitter,
Instagram and stuff like that. So anyway, you can look up my name. I'll write my name down so you know that you guys were here on camera.
Thank you.
You guys can go to my channel.
すごい。9.1。
Yeah, there you go. James
これ見てる人がってことですか？
そう見てる人がそこに書いてあります。
YouTube.
そう、見て
Okay,
て、
and then another one is here. There's two channels. Yeah, first channel is here.
2本持ってるよ。
Number
そう
one.
です今
Number one.
見てる
Okay,
人は
number two
そ
is
の
here.
9000
あ見てる人が
HERMESXTV.
良いレストラン。
Okay, that's on yep on Twitch. Okay, got it. So you got 1 and 2. So that's the first one, James Way on YouTube. You'll see a picture of Shanghai, and a
Okay.
picture of me with a friend of mine at a beach.
Yes.
Okay, and the second one is Hermes XTV. It's Twitch. That's so you
Okay.
can do searches on both. And then you guys are going to be featured now. I'm going to feature 3 girls from Chocolatory.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
美味しいレストラン。
Oh, you see the restaurant. Oh, they want me. Yeah, they want me to go. There's so many places to eat around here, right?
Oh yeah, maybe if we go to Yurakcho.
Yeah, that's that way, right? Or
Yes.
go out and go
Left,
down, go
left
straight.
on Big Street and then right.
Left in the big street and then right. And that's where everything is. That's where I'm going. Okay, girls.
Okay.
I'll see you later. Oh, he said something else. Oh my God, he's saying more to you.
ありがとう。
Yeah.
ありがとうございます。
No, arigatou gozaimasu. Yeah.
ジャパニーズだ。
Yeah, Twitch, there were many Japanese users as well. Yeah, exactly.
最新だな。
すごい。
Good girls. Okay, so I'll see you later.
See you later.
Have a good night. Okay, so out and down there.
Yes.
Downstairs. Okay.
Yes. Go on with that.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Right, the girls just got real happy because they're on camera. Ah, that's good. All right, I feel good, man. Sugoi, haha. Random shop into a Kit Kat. See, that's what my streams are all about, man. I guess I was talking to Alex about this, man. You're right. I just randomly just go and do stuff, man. Right? I don't really make any plans. You know what I mean? It just it's random content. Is random content good content, or is planned event, planned content good content on Twitch? What's better, random or planned? You know, because I see all the big streamers, they always put a title and they plan what they're gonna do. So, pure, decent content. That went well. Okay. Random. Bobo authentic. Okay. So, random content is the way to go, rather than planned out content. You know what I'm saying? So, you lost me at content. Cool story, Bob. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta stop saying it. How many times did I say it? Like 20 times already? That's a lot of gear. Oh, my friend from Hawaii looked at my Instagram. Nice. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff down here and a lot of stuff down here. Both sides. Hi, by the way. Hey, Exalted Figures. How you doing, buddy? Oh, guys. Very good. All of them. Very good. They look like they're from Germany, guys. I just heard their accent. They're telling they're from Germany. Okay, let's go. All right, do we want to keep going down, or do we just want to take down one of these main side roads? There's a lot of stuff down here. And down there. Having flu again sucks. Slept 2 hours max tonight. Oh God, Mr. Schultz, yeah. Yeah, that's Mr. Schultz, man. That's Liu's sugar daddy, dude, from Frankfurt, Germany. Mr. Schultz, but I think he's an old bald guy. She leaked one of her pictures accidentally on WeChat, and then she deleted it so I wouldn't see it. Law, Omega Law. Yeah, that Liu is something else, boys and girls. Oh my God. Yeah, she thinks she can hide something from me, like, you know what I mean? All girls have something going on, man. Whatever they want to do, something. You know what I mean? So I don't know why they're walking right there. Is that fun to walk right there? It must be, yeah. Look at that, dude. Is it fun to walk right here? I guess they're looking for the taxi, yeah? To walk right there on the side. Evening, As Talk Dog. How you doing? Good evening. As Talk Dog. 7,000 yen and I can get a steak. 7,000 yen for a steak. Crab.